Hey guys, Ironman29 here, and today I'm going to be recording another little Minecraft video. Just so you so yeah, this is for a little while recently. It's kind of like, if you know what Thunderbirds are, it's kind of like a mock of that. In fact, the name of the world is called International Rescue Mock. So, yeah. Oh wait, let me switch over into survival. Okay, so I'm pretty proud of this whole build. It lasts. So, at the end of the video, we'll list off the mods that I have in this world if you get some stuff. And then just take a look at basic stuff. We got security camera 1 is right here. I'll show you guys the cameras after. I don't spoil anything. Shoot, you already saw that. Wow. Whoops. So, we have 3 rooms. One room has 2 people. That's my room with someone else. Stop laughing. This room for 1 person with that armor, 1 person with that armor. Then we can go downstairs and take a look. So yeah, I got a nice little. I never picked those holes. Don't pay attention. But yeah, we have this. We have a nice little picnic area outside. So we have some pork chops and a baked potato. We got a nice cookies and cream milkshake right there. Got a little grill right here. The blender. Just have to smell the. Basically, you have your fuel back here. You have your input up here, like if you put the raw stuff, and then it smells it. And it sends it out down here. So let me just grab a stack of pork chops. Here as well. Yeah, we've got like a little waterfall type thing. So yeah, like a little bridge, a little moat around the house, the mountain. So it seems like a cute little house, but this isn't why I'm proud. So you see how there's alarms? We'll get to that in a second. But you see how there's paintings, right? Right in here. Go down. And something I'm also kind of proud of, not as proud as the other things, but the lever. And what we get. Don't attack because they're annoying as all that. So this is my little area. Little like, yeah, this pop it out. Okay, so now faster. This is what you saw before. Where's the security camera? That allows you to see over to here. This is a helipad. you got the pilot here, and Desert Eagle, and then she has a GS-72 Gadfly with an iron propulsion engine, and install this fuel there, and then you're always wondering how you get out. With the lever. Yeah. And that's how the pilot gets out. Just going up there. And then close it when you're done. Now this is, well, I'll show you that one list. So, we got the land vehicle person, got a bulldozer armor, and bulldozer person has a grenade launcher with 30, well, each stack is 16, so 32 impact grenades, 32 bounce grenades, 32 gas grenades, and 32 incendiary grenades. And they also have a machine gun. That's awesome. And they he has a tank, a Challenger 2 iron propulsion engine tank with all this fuel. How he gets out is you just pull the lever, and that's why there's the bridge. So. Then, second to last, and it's down. So, this is my second favorite one. So, you have a marine armor, pretty much, and then you got a Glock and a P90. It's a marine area, so the submarine. And then it slowly goes down. And then eventually it goes all the way down. The submarine or boat or whatever is in here can go. And when you just press this button, just close it up and then the water goes right back down. So, well, that's it for this part, but there's one last part I'm pretty proud of. So I got this little thing, you can send it right here. Yeah, sorry, press the button. Down, this water, and you, oh my god. And then you get an astronaut. Yeah, we have an astronaut with a Desert Eagle, a Dragon, and a Remington. And something. And we have a freaking spaceship. Boy. Oh, I can't be about it. Oh, sorry, I just found something, but that would normally open. I have to fix that. Then you go to here. Then you up. And then get ready for it. And then you be like a boom, and then it'll transport you. And then you can just go over to here. Then open up this thingy. airlock, and then it's pressurized, and then boom, and then shoot. Cool. So then here we have the space station, and captain's quarters, and just got beds, a terminal thing. We got a AK-47, we got a L96, and a mini Uzi. And there's room for the other guns that you got about to leave. And we got a riot shield, and then yeah, just go like that. Then we have the crew quarters. I'll show you the lab last. What's that part? And there's just 4 beds for the crew, and then another terminal. So, but this is the kitchen so far. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, for real. And then you got some more terminals up in here for the cook to put the food in, and then it can go to the outside. That. Then you got an oven, fridge, got a toaster, got a sink, and got a dishwasher. Can't forget the dishwasher. And also to enter, you could also use the key card reader to open up the door for the captain of the ship. And then we have the little table. We just got some burgers. And then here is got the co-pilot spot, and then got the captain's seat. Alright, captain's seat. Pull this lever that opens up, and then little command things pop up on the side, and now you can command the space station. You have to get out of the chair for those to pop down for some reason. But yeah, there we have the most dangerous thing here. A direct opening to outer space, and yes, that's supposed to be outer space. No judge. So then we have a little here to the lab. Here we go, just don't mind that. So we got a scanner, we got a centrifugal extractor, we got a compacting recycler, we got a rotary macerator, we got a we have a mass fabricator, then we have full power. Oh, we also have full power while we're there. The lab is run by its own power source, just so it doesn't have to worry about not having enough power. Alright, and then this I'm pretty proud of too. There's that. So then now there's one. So since we have and the server failed, where now something is tries to leave. Yeah. Oh yeah. But then once you flip that off, bada book, bada boom. So yeah, that's it about this. And then we could just go in here, press the button, and we go back. since we can't fly, and also that's closed, to get back up there, you just press this button. And that's missing the strip. So, yeah. Now let's just go to game mode 1, and so, yeah, this base station right here. It's just behind some one-way glass and some sky blocks. I have to fix the one-way glass. I had an explosion incident, but don't worry, it's fine. I think I made this unproportionate. I think I made it too short, but that's fine too. I made this too small. Of course, that's fine. But yeah. And then just get this little waterfall here. It's supposed to look like it's carrying down to here. Then once you press the button, these dispensers basically, the water just disappears. And then when you press the button, it reappear and then go down. Yeah. Yeah, so like I said, I just had an explosion incident. This whole wall right here was gone. Because I was testing that explosive ammo. So, yeah. Yeah, this is where the spaceship would come out of. So I don't have to go inside, I could really just do this. And then, boom. Got the spaceship. And I just step back in. And boom. And it's fixed. No. You see that little speck up there? Oops. This little speck. This is the space station. Boom. This is the ultimate space station. So yeah, I just small micro built all the way up here so it looked like that. You can see the space station ground. I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah. Now my favorite thing to do when I'm up here is just try and fall into the water. I'm gonna fail. There we go. So okay. But yeah. I'm pretty proud of this all in all. Oh yeah. So yeah, you know, there's I'm just showing you that there's also this. Yeah, so time's almost up. I just finished showing that's all of that there really is to this. Now I told you guys that I'll list off the mods for you, so I'll do that. What we got here is regular Minecraft, of course, Optifine, World Edit, better FPS maybe. Got Security Craft, Carpenter's Blocks, Lands mod, and once I show you all the mods, I'll tell you the packs I have. Industrial Craft, mod, Open Block. Box, Applied Energistics 2, Baby Lovecraft, and Secret Rooms mod. So, and the flange packs I have are Modern Warfare pack, World War II pack, and Zombie pack. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm sure that's everything I have. So, yeah. This is all for today. And if you liked it, leave a like. And if you like Minecraft and Scrap Mechanic and all stuff like that, please consider. And yeah, I will see you. And let me just. I'll see you all next time. Bye.